In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the end cap on a DeWalt cordless hammer drill. The end cap provides protection to the back of the motor. It also allows for easy access to the motor brushes for replacement. It's not uncommon for the end cap to become damaged if the drill is dropped or some other accident occurs. Replacing the end cap is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. End caps, as well as many other parts, can be found on our website. Let's get started. The rear cap is secured to the housing with 4 screws. I'll remove those. The rear cap covers the rear of the motor. This is where the brushes are located. While the cap's removed, it's a good idea to take a look at the brushes and check them for wear. If they're worn down, you may want to replace them. Also, if the back of the motor is dirty, this is a good chance to blow it out with some compressed air. And now I can reinstall the rear cover and secure it.